The 2025 Taos SE makes a stylish impression with sharp body lines, bold LED headlights, and 18-inch alloy wheels. Brought to you by Berge Volkswagen. A black roof rail system adds utility, while subtle chrome accents and an available panoramic sunroof bring upscale appeal to this compact SUV. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, the Taos SE offers a smooth and responsive ride. Whether paired with front-wheel drive or available 4-motion all-wheel drive, it's efficient, nimble, and ready for both city streets and weekend getaways. The Taos SE boasts one of the roomiest second rows in its class. With generous legroom and a flat rear floor, passengers enjoy comfortable seating, even on long trips. Split folding rear seats also allow flexible cargo and passenger configurations. Inside, the cabin balances practicality with sophistication. The SE trim features upgraded cloth seating with contrast stitching, a leatherette-wrapped steering wheel, and soft-touch surfaces throughout. The layout is clean and modern, making every drive feel more refined. Equipped with available IQ Drive, the Taos SE offers features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and front assist with autonomous emergency braking. These tools give you greater peace of mind and everyday confidence behind the wheel. The 2025 Taos SE comes with an 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Volkswagen's digital cockpit. The infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, while the available Beats audio system enhances your music experience. Convenience features include keyless entry with push-button start, wireless charging, heated front seats, and dual-zone climate control. USB-C ports keep devices charged, and an adjustable cargo floor makes organizing gear simple. The 2025 VW Taos SE 1.5T hits the sweet spot for compact SUV buyers, blending practical space, modern tech, and efficient performance. It's ideal for drivers who want comfort and capability wrapped in a sleek, compact package. You can view our selection at bergevw.com, give us a call at 480-646-4858, or visit our showroom today.